Alright, what is going on YouTube? Hope you guys are all having a great day today. We're going to be doing some brakes. StopTech rotors, EBC red stuff pads. Got all the goodies right here in the trunk. Let's get this started. There's a little Benzito.
Hello.
Boom. One productions. 17 to hold the nut, while you have the 13 to loosen up the slide pin back there.
Shit, don't crack it.
I just did already. So I broke it loose, there you go. The 13 mils, take them off. Now you could take the caliper.
Bruh. So you just literally just
slide it off,
little by little.
You can see the pistons out.
You get one of those bungee cords, so you make your life easier.
Make your life
stress the brake line, which can be dangerous.
I don't know how the it's like no life, right?
Almost.
It's almost done.
Damn near.
Damn near, right? Boom. Alright.
Shitty ass things.
So now we're gonna do the two 21mm carrier bolts. They're back here.
Show them real quick. Boom.
You can see them. You're gonna need a long breaker bar to get that top one. Just break it loose. But once you have the two 21 mils removed, you can go ahead and remove the carrier. Take off the rotor set screw T30. Gotta hit it with the hammer. So here we have the StopTech 340mm slotted rotors for the GTI Performance Pack Golf R. We're gonna go ahead and spray these down with some brake clean, get the factory oil off of there. There you go. Okay. What do I do with the little? We got the EBC reds in there. We just have to make sure these clips slide in, sit in place. Put some NICs on the back, and there, that's how it sits. We're compressing the piston. Shout out to the boy Benji helping out with the install. So yeah guys, that's it for this installation. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll definitely give a little review once I have these broken in and let you guys know about the performance and everything like that.